I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an Excel quotation, a full guide to creating professional and accurate estimates for your clients. We'll begin by opening a fresh Excel workbook. First, establish the foundational structure by setting up key columns such as item number, description, quantity, unit price, and total. This initial organization is crucial for a clear and functional quote, ensuring all necessary information has a designated place from the start. Next, populate your quotation with the specific items or services you are offering. For each entry, carefully input its unique description, the exact quantity, and the corresponding unit price. Then, leverage Excel's power by using a straightforward formula, like multiplying quantity by unit price, to automatically calculate the total for each individual line item. Finally, sum all these line item totals to arrive at the comprehensive grand total for your entire quote. To elevate your quotation's professionalism, incorporate your company's branding. Place your logo prominently and ensure your full contact information is easily visible. Crucially, include all relevant client details, such as their name and address, for clear identification. Don't forget to specify important terms like payment conditions and the offer's validity period. Consistent formatting throughout, using appropriate fonts and colors, will significantly enhance the overall professional appearance of your document. Before sending, a thorough review is absolutely essential. Double-check all figures, calculations, and textual information for any errors to maintain accuracy and credibility. Once satisfied, save your completed quotation in a widely accessible and secure format, such as a PDF file, to preserve its layout. Finally, confidently share this professional document with your client and remember to retain a copy for your own business records and future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.